the strongest insect repellent you can make. I'm sure you already have the ingredients for this mixture at home. It works against ants, flies, mosquitoes, and even spiders. Start by preparing a bottle of cold water. This will be the base. Next, take any dish soap. It breaks down the natural protective layer of insects, making them more vulnerable to the other ingredients. Close it and shake well. Now, in an empty spray bottle, pour about half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar works as a repellent, changes the smell of the area, and discourages insects from coming back. Then, pour in the liquid from the first bottle. The mixture is ready. All the ingredients combine into an effective solution that can be easily sprayed even in hard-to-reach places. Spray it on doors, windows, and any other spots where you see bugs. The liquid works immediately, repels effectively, and prevents insects from returning. It's a cheap, powerful way to get rid of ants, flies, mosquitoes, and spiders. After the first use, you'll see the difference, and with regular use, your home will stay insect-free. This is the only effective way to keep mosquitoes from coming near your home. The method works instantly. Start by preparing an aluminum tray. It serves as a heat-resistant container and is perfect for this kind of home trick. Next, add some ground coffee to it. Coffee releases a strong aroma that creates a protective barrier. It's a smell mosquitoes can't stand, which makes them stay away. Add a few bay leaves on top of the coffee. Bay leaves contain powerful essential oils that repel mosquitoes and other insects, and when combined with coffee, the effect is even stronger. Then, place some fresh mint leaves on the coffee. Mint has a refreshing scent that we enjoy, but it's extremely irritating to mosquitoes. As the aroma spreads, it enhances the power of the whole mixture. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. This is one of the most effective natural oils against mosquitoes. It has strong repelling properties and works immediately. Pour in a little lighter fluid. Light the mixture carefully. The gentle smoke will rise into the air, forming a natural protective barrier. With this simple method, you can finally enjoy peaceful evenings on your balcony or in your garden. Mix coffee with toothpaste. You'll see it's worth doing regularly. Start by preparing a cup. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and pour in hot water, ideally at around 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a teaspoon of sugar, then a small amount of toothpaste. Stir well until everything combines into a thick, dark liquid with a strong scent. Strain it through cheesecloth and a fine sieve to remove any residue. Then add about 7 ounces of clean water, mix again, and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. This mixture is perfect for cleaning. Spray it on your sink, wait a moment, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Limescale, grime, and streaks disappear instantly. You can also use it on faucets or in the shower. It removes water spots, soap scum, and other dirt with ease. Coffee works as a gentle abrasive, while toothpaste helps polish surfaces. It's a simple cleaning trick using ingredients that often end up in the trash. This is how I make a real stone remover. Here's a recipe for a solution that effectively eliminates buildup in your home. Just combine 3 inexpensive ingredients to thoroughly clean surfaces covered with limescale and residue. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of table salt to a bowl. Salt has cleaning and whitening properties, making it easy to remove dirt and dissolve limescale. Next, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. Its gentle abrasive agents help remove deposits and stains. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until a thick, uniform paste forms. Apply the prepared solution to surfaces with limescale and residue, ensuring full coverage. Let the product sit for a few minutes to dissolve the dirt. Then scrub the areas with a sponge, paying special attention to the most soiled spots. Finish by rinsing off the residue with water. After this treatment, all surfaces will shine with cleanliness, free from limescale and other dirt, or home. Put a straw in the drain in the sink. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. A regular straw turns out to be incredibly useful. For this trick, you'll need a plastic straw. You probably have one at home. You'll also need scissors. With the scissors, you'll make an extraordinary straw. You need to make cuts in several places. See how I do it. Don't cut the straw in half. Just make angled cuts. Make several of these cuts. 2 cuts close together are enough. If you cut out the small part between them, you'll create a sharp tooth. Just cut out a few of these teeth on one side of the straw, and then on the other side. Each cutout must have a sharp tip. See it again. This time I used smaller scissors. It's easier to cut out these small elements with them. Many people have problems with water drainage in the sink or shower. It gets blocked by hair falling in there. Not always do specialized liquids handle them well. But thanks to this trick, you won't have to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert such a straw. Insert it as deeply as possible. If you have smaller openings in the sink, use a thinner straw. Just move it around for a while. All the hairs that were in the drain will get tangled in the straw. Just throw them away, and you're done. The drain will be like new. This trick will cut your cleaning time in half. In just a few seconds, you can make holes in a bottle cap. Place a cut balloon over the neck of the bottle like I did. Now, attach it to your faucet, and you're all set. A dirty, stationary faucet with a very grimy sink can be disgusting. But all you need is a balloon and the cap from your favorite drink to change that. Grab an empty bottle and cut off its neck. This is the part we'll be using. Now, using a sharp object like a pin or needle, poke small holes in the cap. You can make quite a few. Pick your favorite balloon color and cut it just below the middle, holding it by the neck. Place the larger opening of the balloon over the cut bottle neck. Then, take the balloon with the bottleneck part to your kitchen faucet. Stretch the other end of the balloon over the faucet. Now, cleaning your sink is much easier. Thanks to its flexibility, this little attachment ensures that water reaches all the nooks and crannies. Clean your sink without using chemicals. You only need ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Sinks often accumulate stubborn residue and limescale, but this simple homemade method will make yours look brand new. The first ingredient is vinegar. It effectively dissolves limescale, grease, and bacteria. Pour it all over the sink to target every dirty spot. Next, take baking soda and sprinkle it generously over the surface. When combined with vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction that lifts dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes the sink. Let this mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Then rinse everything thoroughly with water, removing any foam and remaining residue. Your sink will shine, free from buildup and unpleasant smells. And the best part? No need for expensive store-bought cleaners. Vinegar and baking soda are a powerful duo that you should always have on hand.